It is a sixth question of the miscellaneous exercise. It's an important question. It was the part of the board examination also. In a hurdle race, a player has to cross 10 hurdles. The probability that he will clear each hurdle is 5 by 6. So it is the probability of clearing a hurdle. What is the probability that he will knock down? Beta, it's a clear and it is a knockdown. Knockdown, it's inverse of this. Favor than two. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि एक हर्डल को क्रॉस करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी जो है वो 5 by 6 है. लेकिन जो वो पूछ रहे हैं कि व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ही विल नॉक डाउन का मतलब वो पार नहीं कर पाता है. फेवर देन टू का मतलब लेस देन टू. तो यहाँ पर ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स 10 है बिकॉज 10 हर्डल्स है. तो n की वैल्यू 10 हो गई है ना. उसको पार करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 5 by 6 है. लेकिन वो पूछ रहे हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ही विल नॉक डाउन, वो गिरने की प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछ रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो सक्सेस है वो गिरने की प्रोबेबिलिटी है. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ही विल नॉक डाउन. तो नॉक डाउन की तो अगर उसके क्लियर करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 5 by 6 है तो उसके गिरने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 minus 5 by 6 है, यानी 1 by 6 है. और Q की वैल्यू 5 by 6 है. और फेवर देन 2 का मतलब जो R है वो 0 और 1 होगा. इसका मतलब हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 निकालना है. You know the formula. Put these values into the formula and you will get the answer. See the 10th question. In the 10th question, how many times a man toss a fair coin so that probability of at least one head? What is the probability of at least one head? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. The probability of at least one head. The probability of at least one head is 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 is more than 90%. Is greater than 90%. So what is the x is equal to 0? The formula is NCR. You have to find n. How many times means you have to find n. The formula is NCR p to the power r q to the power n minus r is greater than 90 upon 100. So 1 minus NC0. P means head, the probability of head. The P is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to the power 0. And Q is also 1 by 2 to the power n is greater than 90%. 1 upon 2 to the power 0. 1 upon 2 to the power 0, it will be 1. NC0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n is greater than 9 by 10. है ना. Shifted this to this side. So 1 minus 9 by 10 is greater than 1 by 2 to the power n. 1 by 10 minus 9. So 1 by 10 is greater than 1 by 2 to the power n. What is the answer? What is the value of n? You see, if n is equal to 1, then it will be 1 upon 2. And 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 10. If n is equal to 2, so it is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 2. If n is equal to 3, so 1 upon 2 ka cube is 1 upon 8. You see 1 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 10. If n is equal to 4, then 1 upon 2 to the power 4, it will be 1 upon 16. And 1 upon 16 is less than 1 upon 10. So the answer of this question is n is equal to 4. The answer of this question is n is equal to 4. The answer of this question is n is equal to 4. Children, you see, in the ninth question, an experiment succeed twice. An element succeed twice. An element as often its fail. इसका मतलब 3 बार सक्सेस होता है और 1 बार फेल होता है. तो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी? द प्रोबेबिलिटी 3 बार अगर सक्सेस होता है तो 1 बार फेल होता है, यानी 4 बार में 3 बार सक्सेस होता है. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 3 by 4 and Q is 1 by 4 in this question. Q is 1 by 4 in this question. In the ninth question, find the probability that next 6 trial n is equal to 6, at least 4 at least 4 success. It means R is equal to 4, 5 and 6. You have to find probability of X is equal to 4 plus probability of X is equal to 5 plus probability of X is equal to 6. It's a very important question. This question was a part of the board examination also. This question was the part of the board examination also. Those